Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For this video, I want to share with you guys an amazing gift that I got from my friend Kylie. Yes! Can you guys believe that? Yes! Can you guys believe that? She sent me a gift. Just kidding. No, but hey, I heard Kylie's looking for new friends, so hey girl, we can become friends. So anyway, I did order some goodies from Kylie Cosmetics and I want to share with you guys. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this. You guys see that? Cute, cute, cute. Let's look at the first lipstick. All I got was for the lips. This is a lipstick and in the color Dulce de Leche. I love Dulce de Leche. I think I'm hungry. Let's open it up. I'm excited. So this is real pretty. Super cute. Jenner, Kylie Jenner. Oh, look at this, guys. You guys see that? This is super cute. I think I'm gonna do a swatch, or swatches, I should say. So, this is beautiful. I love this color. Can you guys see that? It's super rich. That's a pretty color. I'm liking it. Hey! So let's go ahead and open up the second one. And this is another lipstick that I got. I chewed up. This is butterscotch. And this is what it looks like. This is such a pretty package. And then it has like cute little lips on the top. Butterscotch. All these names sound yummy in my tummy. Look how pretty this is. Yeah. This is really nice. Let's do another swatch. Ooh, I love these. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see. So this one is a little darker and this is lighter. But they're super rich. They glide onto the skin super good, super nice. I'm liking this so far. Moving along. Kylie Jenner High Gloss. These are new. I got one. Thanks, Kylie. We're friends, I'm telling you. She don't know yet. So this is in the color Diva. I can't wait to try this one. This is what it looks like. Cute. Super duper pretty color. Can you guys see that? Maybe my light's too bright. Let's do a swatch. I like nudes a lot, so I think I end up choosing like almost the same colors. But it's okay, you can never go wrong with nudes. They always look good, right? Yeah. Moving along. This is a gloss. And this is in the color So Cute. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's called So Cute. And we'll do a swatch so you guys can see. Look at how pretty this is. do a swatch. They're very similar, but come on. You can never go wrong with these colors. They're so pretty. Oh yeah. I like what I'm seeing. I got this. It's upside down. Cocoa collection. Oh, you know I had to get me some cocoa. And this is in the color Gorge. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Oh. This is a different color. Oh yeah. Guys see that? It's pretty. See? I got something different too, not just nudes. Ooh, look at how easy it glides on. It's super nice. I really like your products, Kylie. Very well worth my money. But if you want to send me a PR box, girl, go right ahead. Alright, so this is another gloss. Oh, yeah. And this one, I got this color because my wife really likes this color. It's in the color Jolly. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's like a burgundy. Let's open it up. Well, I am glad that I got some nudes, but I also got some dark colors. Yes. Look how pretty that is. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, it almost looks like a nail polish. Super nice. Love this color. Babe, this is the color you wanted. And I got it. She really likes this color. She wants me to wear it. So I'm gonna wear it for you, but you gotta take me out on a date. Or I won't wear it. Just kidding, babe. Ooh, what is this? This is so cute. This is super soft. And this is Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Can't wait to open this one up. And this one is in the color Boy Bye. Let's open it. Let's open it. It's another nude color I got, but you know what? I love it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like a pink color. Very pretty. And let's do another swatch. Oh my god. This smells amazing! It smells so good. It smells like butterscotch. No, I think I got some on my nose. No, this smells like... It smells like a candy. Like a caramel candy. Yes. It smells like caramel. I'm hungry. And so I also got a lip liner. I think I actually got two. So this is one of them. And this is in the color Cocoa K. Everything nude. So this is the color. It's very natural. So pretty. It's like a pink, nude pink. So let's do a little swatch here. You guys can see. I hope you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? You guys see all these beautiful colors? I really like this. So next, last but not least, we have another lip liner. And this is in the color Coconut. With all these names, I got hungry. I'm hungry now. Now I want dulce de leche. I want coconut. I want butterscotch. Who likes buttery nipples? Me. That is such a good drink to die for. I love it. Okay, so here's the other lip liner, and this is the color. It's actually a little bit darker than this one. You guys can see the difference. Very pretty, both of them. So let's go ahead and open this one up. It's more like a brownish, like a nude brown. And let's do a swatch here. Oh!
No! Alright, so it broke. Kylie, send me another one. Okay, so what do I do now? Do I have to sharpen this? Do you sharpen this? Anybody have these? Do you sharpen them? Obviously, right? You don't twist this. Doesn't come out. No, nothing comes out. So I guess I have to sharpen it. Oh well. Hold on, guys. I'm back. I found a sharpener. And it looks like my son used it for his pencil. I found a sharpener. Oh yeah. You gotta sharpen these. It didn't seem like you would be able to sharpen them, but... That sucks that it broke. But let's finish the swatch. Hopefully this time it does not break on me. I guess I have to be a little more gentle. There we go. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
And these are all the colors. Let me show you. You know what? I think I want to try this one. The high gloss. Let's try this one. Let's see what it looks like.
On the lips. They smell like dulce de leche. They smell so good. I'm hungry. I love sweets. Yeah, I really, really like it. What do you guys think? I can't stop smelling them. And I can't stop swallowing my saliva. I am hungry. I'm not kidding.
Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And until next video, I will see you guys then. Bye!